Figuring out if a financial app like Beforepay is safe often comes down to looking at its security measures, privacy practices, and overall lending model. Beforepay operates as an on-demand pay advance service. It's a publicly listed company and emphasizes transparency, which is a key safety indicator. They offer a clear, flat fee structure on their pay advance service, meaning you know the cost up front without hidden late fees. When it comes to your data, Beforepay uses bank-grade security and encryption to protect your personal and financial information. This is crucial since you link your bank account for them to assess your eligibility and process payments. They employ multi-factor authentication for an extra layer of login security. They state they do not share your personal information with third parties for their own commercial use. Their lending model is designed to promote safe borrowing. They use AI and machine learning to calculate a limit based on your actual income and spending patterns, aiming to ensure you only borrow what you can reasonably afford to repay. This one loan at a time rule prevents users from getting into a debt cycle with their product. They also do not contact your employer. Ultimately, Beforepay takes technical security measures and has a transparent fee structure to be considered a safe option within the pay advance space. However, like any financial service, always review their privacy policy and terms and conditions to fully understand how your data is handled and the full commitment of using their service.